How to fix PDF Converter for macOS not uninstalling. Here's a script to uninstall PDF Converter on a Mac. #bin/bash #quit PDF Converter if it's running. If grep PDF Converter /dev/null, then echo quitting PDF Converter osascript quit app PDF Converter fi #remove PDF Converter application and related files echo removing PDF Converter sudo rmrf/application /PDF Converter.app /rmrf/library /application /support /PDF /converter /rmrf/library /caches /com.cisd.PDFConverter /rmrf/library /cookies com.cisd.PDFConverter.binarycookies rmrf/library /preferences com.cisd.PDFConverter.plist rmrf/library /save /application /state com.cisd.PDFConverter.savedState / echo PDF Converter has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if PDF Converter is currently running and quits it if it is. It removes the PDF Converter application from the applications folder. It removes the PDF Converter related files from the user's library folder. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_pdf_converter.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_pdf_converter.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_pdf_converter.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the PDF Converter application. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.